The leaders of the Bhartiya Janata Party and the Janata Dal secular in Karnataka had a conflict recently in the Tumkur Lok Sabha constituency. Both parties have formed an alliance for the Lok Sabha elections, but there seems to be a challenge to bring the workers of the party together. The conflict took place during the campaign of their candidate V.S. Somanna. JD's MLA MT Krishnappa accused BJP's Kondajji Vishwanath of being behind his loss in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Vishwanath, who was formerly associated with JDS before joining BJP, appeared visibly displeased and attempted to respond but was interrupted by Somanna before he could speak. A similar incident took place in Hassan as well. BJP and JDS leaders say that such minor conflicts happen in mass parties and the alliance continues to be strong.
There will be a lot of here and there differences, so which we will have to look out for, because it's a new alliance and the alliance has just happened. So we have conducting the meeting between the two party Karyakartas, and as of now things are looking good, things are looking strong between the Karyakartas, both the party Karyakartas. We'll keep it like that.
छोटा मोटा होता रहता है, मास पार्टी होने के नाते, मास सपोर्टर्स रहने के नाते छोटा मोटा ऐसा होता रहता है. जीतने का मुश्किल नहीं है. हम तुमकुर में भी जीतेंगे, माउंडिया में भी जनता दल जीतेगा. हम उसको मदद करेंगे, वो लोग हमको मदद करेंगे.
This alliance is taking an interesting turn as the Lok Sabha elections approach, considering the previous politics of both parties. What remains to see is how this alliance brings its workers and leaders together to win the 28 seats in the state. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.